Hi everyone, it's been a long time, over a year actually, to my 1000 subscribers who stayed subscribed during the silence. Thank you. A lot has changed. The biggest update, I moved from Kazakhstan to Canada. Settling into a new culture took a lot of my energy, but also it gave me a fresh perspective on what it means to live and breathe a new language every day. During this break, I didn't just moved, I worked. Many of you remember my app, LangLaLang. I decided that good enough wasn't enough, so I completely rewrote it from the ground up. Everything is redesigned. But more importantly, the philosophy has changed. I wanted to build something where you don't need 5 different tabs open to learn. No more jumping between a grammar site, a translator, and text-to-speech tool. Now it's all in one. First, built-in translations. No more switching apps. Second, text-to-speech, to hear the natural flow of the language. Third, deep explanations and rules. It doesn't just tell you what to say, but why to say it that way. I'm so confident in this version that I'm putting it into the ultimate test. I've started learning German and I'm using exclusively LangLaLang to do it. No external textbooks, no other apps, just my tool. I'll be sharing my progress, my struggles, and the wins right here on this channel so you could see exactly how the new features work in real-world scenarios. Here's the thing, the app isn't deployed yet. I want to make sure that it's perfect for you before I hit that release button. I'm looking for a group of people who are ready to dive in and use it the moment it goes live. If you are interested in being among the first to use a new LangLaLang, leave a comment below to this video. Just say I am in or tell me what the language that you are fighting with. If I see enough interest, it'll give me this final push to get it live and into your hands as soon as possible. It's good to be back. Canada is a new chapter and I can't wait to share this new version of LangLaLang with you. Thank you for watching, leave that comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.